Smokey. Smokey. What are you doing? You don't want to show your face on the camera? Come on, show your face. You just purring the entire time? What are you doing? Little Smokey. Smokey. Yeah, he's just exploring my room. Hey guys, I actually got this little guy on Wednesday. And I was gonna make a video that day, but I just didn't. And I know my room is messy, but I'm gonna start cleaning it probably after bowling. He's under my bed. What are you doing? You're so cute. Hey, Smokey, say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my little kitten, Smokey. He exploded. Oh, it's recording. You had it on record.
Well, it was on the phone.
There you go, that's a cute one.
Hi.
Don't really do so bad.
He likes it. He knows it's his already.
Hey, silly.
When are we do?
Brian must have had one. Or a couple.
Smokey.
He's probably thinking like, yo, I'm in here, and there's no other cats attacking me right.
He's hitting his face.
I see it. Getting you one next year, Lynn. Because you're having as much fun.
Well, I like the I like fun.
That's good. That's fun one.
We got our two kitties.
Hey! Hey, no. I'm not being violent.
He's just enjoying it. He's just like,
You know you
place
can
for
lay
me
up
to
top
rest.
too.
Yeah. He knows it's his. He's just chilling.